In this video, I'm sharing 4 powerful reasons you are not achieving your goals and how you can turn things around. As a leadership and mindset coach, I've spent years researching about this topic and guiding my students to overcome these challenges. I will start by number 4, and the last one is the most challenging of them all. Reason number 4. There is a confusion between what you want and what you truly want. Something similar to this. My mind tells me to go for this option, but my heart tells me not. Conflicting signals in the brain can disrupt inner harmony, create stress and indecision. Science shows that 95% of decision making is driven by the emotional brain. That's why you need to involve your heart and intuitions in this process, as they can guide you to what you truly want. Reason number 3. You know what you want, but you don't believe you are worth it. Today, with all the changes happening in the world, you cannot afford not to believe in yourself. Self doubt can be an invisible barrier, keeping you from reaching your full potential. When you genuinely believe in your goals, you attract positive opportunities and open doors you might not even notice before. But belief needs to be more than just a feeling, it must be coupled with consistent actions. Reason number 2. You may already know what you want and you are taking the right steps, but you are stuck in a negative state. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill discusses several negative emotions that can block you from achieving your goals. Here are some key examples, like fear of failure, fear of rejection, jealousy toward others, grudges, hate, and anger, and so on. Overcoming these negative emotions is essential for maintaining a positive mindset and achieving your goals. Reason number 1, you are very attached to the outcomes. When you are deeply attached to a specific outcome, you often put all your energy into needing that outcome to happen. This creates a kind of tension, a feeling of desperation or anxiety, which may end up repelling the experiences you want to attract. Detachment, on the other hand, is about trust. Trusting in God, in the universe, in yourself, and in the process. It's about releasing that tension and believing that you will get what you want in the right moment. Remember, you have the power to achieve your goals. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on personal growth.